Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 3377 Lake Road on beautiful Lake Ontario.
This is a spectacular Lake Ontario property with a stone beach, panoramic views, and is truly a nature's paradise.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this beautiful entryway.
This is grand and luxurious lake living with a cathedral ceiling great room highlighting phenomenal open living. With a gorgeous kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a center island breakfast bar. Open to the living room with a gorgeous stone wall and fireplace, hardwood floors, and a wall of windows with scenic lake views. A charming sitting area with patio access, and a spacious dining room with those beautiful hardwood floors, a stone wall with a built-in wine rack, and deck access to take in those scenic lake views. The first floor also features 2 spacious bedrooms, laundry, and a full bathroom. Easy one-floor living. While the finished lower level features an expansive bonus room with a built-in bar and great storage.
The excitement continues upstairs with a landing overlooking the 2-story great room and this lavish primary suite with a cathedral ceiling bedroom with lake views, a spa bathroom, a walk-in closet, and a spacious office area with cathedral cedar ceilings and scenic lake views. This lake home has been updated to perfection, and the quality craftsmanship is evident in the details.
If you need storage, this place has got it, with a workshop and a 5-car garage for all your vehicles and gear. Enjoy your entertainment-sized waterfront patio and deck, overlooking the sprawling yard, all complemented with exquisite landscaping and breathtaking views. Relax to those magnificent sunsets. Enjoy the lake lifestyle with 68 feet of pristine waterfront with a stone beach and those unbelievable lake views.
You could have it all with this Lake Ontario dream home. This property has easy access to Rochester, Syracuse, and all of Western New York, and a short distance to the charming hamlet of Pulteneyville. Historic Pulteneyville is a special waterfront community. It has great architecture, restaurants, and shopping. It is a great place to enjoy village waterfront life.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3377 Lake Road on gorgeous Lake Ontario.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.